Welcome back. In this lecture we will see here you can see we can only move the character left and right and forward and backward. Now in this lecture we are going to create the look up and down for our character. So for this, go to again project setting, engine, inputs, and from here just create a new mapping and name it look underscore up or down, and select mouse Y, and also create a new mapping and select the just delete this and create a new mapping and name it look just right or left, and for this select mouse X and just -1. Perfect. Now go to here and just type event and look up and down, and also right click event. You can see event look right and left. So guys, here you can see the yaw and pitch. So for different results I will show you one thing. Just connect this node to yaw and also connect to this, and also this and this one to this. Just compile and save and press play. Here you can see if I move the mouse downward, the mouse will go to downward. It go to opposite direction. So press escape. Now hold on alt and delete this and this. Now just from here, now connect to this and also this and this. Now press compile, save, now play. If I move the mouse upward, so our character is moving upward. If I go to left, our character move left and right. Perfect. So I gave you a challenge that you should first of all set the keys W, S, A and D and the mouse upward and downward. So when then up down will connect to yaw, and if you select the keys W, A, S, D and the mouse left right to connect to pitch, and vice versa. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will set the mouse sensitivity and also our character jump. See you in next lecture.